On today's episode of MotoCheez.
Got my washer dryer combo. One of the guys that promised me to get me some appliances didn't come through. Second time. A little disappointing because he stops communicating. You know, I'm not going to complain because if I would have got it free, it would have been free. Anyway, I went out and picked up a used one. The door switch was broken on it. The safety switch. So I fixed that. It took literally a minute to fix. Now I'm running through a full cycle. It filled up fine. It's agitating. So now I'm just waiting for it to finish and evacuate the water and put it into place. Put my hole down through the floor because I'm going to actually end up putting the louvers outside. A lot of people just leave them down, but then animals could jump up into it.
I'm going to eat lunch.
There's where I put my 220 outlet that I had to move. She's a beaut. These things are kind of heavy. Good thing I had help bringing this thing in, boy. Holy cow. Heavy. These things, I've never owned one. This thing is tremendous inside. I think it says it's like a 3.8. Doing a rinse. Gotta have that vacuum breaker there. So it's evacuating. Locked it out. Push that little side piece down until that sticks out, and then you can turn it on. Now it's whipped up. These things are $1,300 and up. I paid $400. The guy already had the switch with it. I took a gamble. I still don't know if it's 100% functional, but it looks like it might be. We'll see. Now it added a little more water. So I must just keep adding water and spinning out the soap, I guess. A couple cycles. That thing's spinning fast now. That must be the final spin out. That spin cycle must have been about 10 minutes long. I guess they figured that wringing out the water out of clothes is a lot cheaper than an element to dry it, huh? It's gotta be energy saving. They're literally dry, except the thick parts. I mean, they were definitely under the water. There's just a couple wet spots, but there's some spots that are actually totally dry. That's crazy. I put some pieces of my fake hardwood flooring under to slide it back so it won't wear holes into my linoleum. Figured that's a good idea. It's hot. Well, everything seems to work. Well, that's good. $400. This is the broken switch. What broke was this top piece that snaps it in there. It goes like this. This is underneath. So the latch won't let you lift it up. Probably so you don't get injured. Because you could probably get injured on that, couldn't you? Not only that, you see that? There's a solenoid that locks it. So you can't lift it. And there's a switch right there. Easy to get to. A man's gotta do what a man's gotta do. Better than going to the laundromat. Got my laundry done. Let's get something to eat.
A few moments later. The following day.
I know it ain't gonna do much, but it was on sale with my Harbor Freight inside track, like $9.99, so figured I'd put it on the Jeep. I know it's not the ideal spot, but better than nothing. It's not the ideal solar panel either. What in the heck is with this new bee spray? It doesn't kill them. I don't get it. Carburetor cleaner. That's what you need.
346 minutes later.
She's feeding the seagulls, and then they're trying to get my shrimp as I'm casting. We're gonna have to start calling her the crazy bird lady.
It's better than being a crazy cat lady.
Well, she's already a crazy dog lady.
No, I'm not crazy about that.
And they called me the bird lady because everybody who used to come over to train their dogs for hunting, I had the birds.
Yeah, it's one of them toadfish.
I don't know what it is. Something like that.
Yeah, or rockfish they call them too.
Stupid looking fish.
I got something in here. Here, it's recording.
I can't see.
You want to close up? Look. You got him. Now if you can bring him in, you can eat him. Go real slow, maybe you can get him up. Catching crabs on the pole.
He's hanging on.
He is, look at he's got his pinchers on it.
Now come over, let's see if I can get him all the way up if I go slow.
Go ahead. Chris got one in here. Look at him.
There he goes.
A little longer than a few minutes later.
Well guys, this is gonna be the last ride. Figured I'd just do a quick cruise. Maybe check out the underwear tree. See if any more panties have sprouted. Now for anybody that doesn't know, this channel's rated I for immature.
The following movie is rated I.
Hockey! It's almost 80 today. And I gotta go back up north. But I hear it's pretty nice up there. Not as nice as here, of course.
You know what time it is.
Gotta love that fuel injection. What the heck is that? Oh, it's a mask. One last ride. Although I might be able to sneak one in tomorrow. Shorts and wife beaters. No gloves. I appreciate all the love on the length of my videos. We'll do a leisurely cruise. So when I'm alone, this is how I'll ride. A lot of people are like, you ride too fast. Just fast enough so you don't wash out. I don't even know if I can remember where that panty tree is. Underwear tree. When you go too fast, you miss a lot too sometimes. I would have never discovered that underwear tree. I didn't think we were this far. Oh, there it is. Aha. New specimens. What the hell? What the hell are those? Some big old bloomers there, I think. Who did that? Alright, so it looks like 1, 2, 3, 4. What I'm gonna do, I haven't done this in a long time, guys. I'm gonna hide a key tag. Let's say it's gonna be close to this tree. So if you find this tree and you find a key tag, you gotta put your underwear on it and then take a picture. Send it so I can post it to Instagram. That's the rules. I made them up, that's right. Right, Hawky? Mm-hmm. Do a little more exploring. Another gopher tortoise hole. So I guess that answers the question of whether I left my underwear on there or not. Or it could have been somebody else. Those are some big bloomers. Thanks for participating. Fish tank. Anybody looking for a 20-gallon fish tank? There's one back there for free. There's a lot of trails. I can't tell you where this place is, because I'm not 100% sure anybody's allowed to ride on it. I didn't see any posted, but I don't know. Come on, let's see alligators. Something moved over there. Something swimming out right there, see it? I wonder if there are any little baby ones here or something. What the hell? Is that a big TV? Something just swam off of here. Straight, not like a fish. Well, I guess a fish will leave a straight line too, but it's pretty muddy. There was something over there too when I first pulled up. Yep, dumped a big old TV in there. Someone popped a few rounds in that. No alligators. Nothing. That, if you were to tell me ride with my helmet down because of those big banana spiders that are down here, they're saying they're like that big. I want to see one. Probably when it gets hot. Yeah, no. Ton of trails for sure. So next trip down, I'm gonna order myself a. I think I might go back to a 15. Yeah, there's a good trail. I haven't tried yet. Might be a snake or a turtle or a big spider. Yeah, I'm gonna go with a 15 tooth in the front because I have a 45 in the back. That'll kind of make it, I guess, like a pretty close to a 1750. Close. Man, it'd be some nice camping back here. More garbage. What if I talk to the county and see if they would let me bring garbage that I could pick up off the power lines and in the woods? I'll go with my Jeep and my trailer and I'll load it up every once in a while and bring a load. That sounds like a fair trade. Well, someone did a pee-pee there. Anywhere near the panty tree? I don't think so. Yeah, I'd pick up all this stuff. Look at all the mattresses. The tires are still there, I'm pretty sure. I'm actually getting a little tiny shock on the back of my leg. And I actually think it's because I'm riding on the sand and it's creating a static energy. I'm not lying. Little tiny shock. We'll try it at night. See if we can get it to glow. Yep, still have garbage in here. Kind of getting used to it down here. I like the people, I like the area. I gotta get on this. A little more repairs. Got my Eufy doorbell installed. So yeah. It really is my home away from home. I definitely will be down again shortly.
Hey, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. We'd love to hear what you have to say. Hit that bell if you want new notifications on new videos. Links for products used are in the description and on MotoCheez.com. Thanks for watching.